teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions Exercise 5.2 18th question. Alright, now let's read the question. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. Okay, so in this question now they didn't mention the AP. We are supposed to form the AP. Okay, so let us write AP is equal to A1 comma A2 comma A3, okay, and so on. Okay, so they didn't even mention the AP. Okay, so we are supposed to find the first three terms of the AP. Okay guys, so how to find it? So first of all, let's read the question properly. The sum of the 4th and 8th term. So 4th term I can actually write it as A4 and 8th term no, I can actually write it as A8. Okay, they mentioned sum, isn't it? Sum means we are supposed to add them. Okay, so the sum of these both terms of an AP is 24. Okay, so is equal to 24. Okay, and the sum of the 6th and 10th term. So 6th term I can write it as A6, and then since they mentioned sum no, let us add it with 10th term, that is A10. So 6th and 10th term is 44. Okay, so is equal to 44. Okay, so these are the two informations mentioned in the question. Okay, so we are supposed to solve this question by using these two informations. Okay, so first of all I am gonna write this as it is. So here I have A4. How can I write A4? Of course you guys know we can write it like A plus, so the previous number of 4 is 3, so 3D, and then here we have plus as it is, so we can write it as it is, and we have A8. So A8 how can we write means we can write A plus the previous number of 8 is 7, so 7 into D is equal to 24. Okay, so now let us solve them. So here I have A, here also I have A. So one second. Okay, so A plus A is 2A, and then plus, so here I have 3D and here I have 7D. So they both are like terms. So 3D plus 7D we get 10D. Okay, and then is equal to 24. Okay, so now what we can do now, so here when you just look at it, so here we have 2 and here we have 10, isn't it? So we get 2 and 10 in 2 table. So let us take 2 as common. Okay, so 2 into A is 2A, and then plus as it is, and then 2 into 5 is, so 2 into 5D is 10D, isn't it? 5 2s are, it is 10, and D as it is. So of course you guys know how to do this. We studied this in 2nd and 4th chapter, isn't it? So let us write is equal to 24, and then what we can do now? Now we can write A plus 5D as it is. You guys might be wondering what about this 2? So here 2 no, it is in multiplication. So bracket means multiplication, isn't it? So when it comes to this side it changes into division. So now we can cancel 24 and 2 in second table. So 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so now we got A plus 5D is equal to 12. Okay, so now we got a value, isn't it? So now we can take this value as equation number 1. So let us take it as equation number 1. Okay. Okay, so now after solving this one I got an answer. So I am gonna solve this one, that is A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Okay, so let me just solve that. Okay guys, so I just wrote it as it is. Okay, so now we can actually split it once again. I'll just draw a line so that you can find the differentiate between these two values. Okay, so now we have A6 plus A10 is equal to 44, isn't it? So A6 I can write it like A plus, so the previous number of 6 is 5, so 5d plus, so here also I can apply the same formula, so a plus, so the previous number of 10 is 9d, okay, previous number of 10 is 9 and then write the d, okay, is equal to 44. 1 second, yeah. So now you can see we have a, so they both are like terms, isn't it? So a plus a is 2a and then plus, so 5d plus 9d, when we add them we get 14d is equal to 44. Okay, so here also we can take 2 and 14 as, so here we have 2 and 14, isn't it? So we can actually take 2 as common. Why? Because we get 2 in 2 table and we get 14 in second table. Okay, so let us take 2 as common, then we can write 2 into a is 2a and then plus 2 into 7, it is 14, and write the d as it is. Close the bracket, is equal to 44. Okay, so now a plus 7d is equal to, so here 2 into, so bracket means multiplication, so when it comes to this side it changes into division, so 44 divided by 2, so we can cancel them, so 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, so we will get a plus 7d is equal to 22. Okay, so now we got a value right over here, so 1 second. Okay, so since I took this one as equation number 1, I am going to take this one as equation number 2. Okay, so from equation number 1 and 2, no, I can actually solve them by elimination method. So we studied that in chapter number 3, isn't it? So we are going to solve them by using elimination method. Okay, so I am going to write these two equations as it is. Okay guys, so these are the two equations. So I am going to solve them by elimination method. So let us write it as it is. So of course you guys know how to solve it in elimination method. We are supposed to change the signs. Okay, so I am doing it in elimination. 1 second. Okay, okay guys. So now here if it is plus, we are supposed to change it as minus, and here plus, so minus, so here also plus, minus. So here we can cancel it. So 7 minus 5, it is 2. Okay, since greatest number is 7, it is minus sign. Let us write the minus sign as it is, and of course d is also important. So 22 minus 12, so when we just subtract them, we get 10. The greatest number is 22, it has minus sign. Okay, so d is equal to minus 10. So here it is 2 into d, isn't it? Sorry, it is minus 2 into d. So when it comes to this side, it changes into division. Okay, so cancel the signs. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So what is the d value? D value is 5. Okay, so finally we got a common difference. So now how to find the a value? So what I am going to do now, I am going to put this d value in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 is this one, isn't it? So if you want, you can just substitute in equation number 2, that doesn't matter. Okay, okay, so I am going to substitute in equation number 1. Okay, so let us write it here. Put d value in equation 1. Okay, so what is the equation number 1? A plus 5d is equal to 12. So a plus, so 5, d value is also 5. Okay, so is equal to 12. A plus, so 5 into 5 is 25 is equal to 12. So a is equal to, so when 25 comes to that side, no, it changes into minus 25. So a is equal to, so when we just subtract them, we get minus 13. Okay, so finally we got the a value. So what is the a value? So the a value is minus 13. Okay, so now finally we got the a value. So here according to this AP, I'll just write the AP separately here. Okay, so AP is equal to, so AP, no, we got the A1 value, isn't it? So what is the A value? So the A value is minus 13 comma. So we didn't get the A2 value, so let us write the A2 value as it is, and then comma. So what is A3 value? A3 value also we don't know. Okay, so the only number we know is A value. Okay, so what to do, guys? So I am gonna write A2 and A3 separately. Okay, guys, so let us do that. Okay, so we are supposed to find A2 comma A3, isn't it? So A2, how can I write? Means A plus, so the previous number of 2 is 1, so 1D. Okay, and then is equal to, if you want to write A2, you can write it as it is. Okay, since we are finding it now, let us write it as it is. So the A value is minus 13 plus 1, so D value is 1 second. So the D value is 5 is equal to A2. Okay, so minus 13 as it is, and then 1 5 is 5 is equal to A2. So plus and minus is minus. So when we just subtract them, so 13 minus 5, we get 8. Okay, so since the greatest number is 13, it has minus sign. So for this 8 also, we are supposed to write minus sign. Okay, so now finally we got the A2 value. So the A2 value is minus 8. Okay, alright guys. So now let us find A3 value. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so A3, how can we write? I can write it like A plus, so the previous number of 3 is 2, so 2D is equal to, let us write A3 as it is. Okay, and then now let us substitute the values. So A is minus 13 plus 2, D is 5 is equal to A3, and then minus 13 as it is. So 5 2s are, it is 10 is equal to A3. So plus and minus is minus. So 13 minus 10, we are supposed to subtract them. So when we do 13 minus 10, no, we get 3. So what is the greatest number? That is minus. So let us write the minus. So here the greatest number is 13, right? So it has minus sign. That's why I just wrote it as it is. So A3 is equal to minus 3. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. So finally we got A2 value, A3 value, of course the A1 value also we got it. So where is A? Yeah, A value is minus 13. Okay, so now finally, since we got the AP, no, I mean values for AP, let us write it as it is. So AP is equal to, so A1 value is minus 13, comma, and A2 value is minus 8, 1 second, comma, and then A3 value is minus 3. Okay, so this is what we are supposed to find, right? Yeah, 1 second. So since we are supposed to find this is our answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.